spraying it. Keep it. Are you running out of carpet in?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, just keep the spray. So stop.